I'm Dr. Kathleen Schuster with Magnolia Ridge Dentistry. And for those of you that don't know, I am a mama of two. And one thing I have noticed with my kids is I do have one of them that grinds and snores at night. And that is something that your children are actually not supposed to do. Your sweet little angel babies should sound like little angel babies at night. Grinding and snoring is actually a sign that we're choking at night, that your kids are choking at night and they're not growing how they should. And so I have invested in our community and a service that offers a myofunctional orthodontic program to help your kids stop grinding and snoring at night and help them to grow how they're supposed to so they can grow in the healthiest way possible.